Kids Fun Kingdom TV. Watch and subscribe.
Hi, kids. Today we are going to learn about the classroom language. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, teacher. Good morning, teacher. How are you today? How are you today? I'm good, miss, thank you. I'm good, miss, thank you. Sit down, please. Sit down, please. Take your reading book. Take your reading book. Stand up, please. Stand up, please. Open the window, please. Open the window, please. Be quiet, please. Be quiet, please. Listen to me, please. Listen to me, please. Close the door, please. Close the door, please. Open your book. Open your book. Did you do your homework? Did you do your homework?
Yes, I did my homework. Yes, I did my homework.
Great. Let's check it together. Great. Let's check it together.
May I come in? May I come in? I'm sorry, I'm late. I'm sorry, I'm late.
It's okay. It's okay. Be quiet, please. Be quiet, please.
Can I ask a question? Can I ask a question?
Of course, you can ask a question. Of course, you can ask a question.
Thank you, teacher. Thank you, teacher.
You are welcome. You are welcome. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe, please.